Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you will see me show a project that I completed right after I completed the first project. And it's a cardigan that I completed. My first cardigan, I completed it and I loved it so much that I decided to do another cardigan right after it, but I just never got around to showing it. So this is the cardigan. It's a granny stitch hexagon cardigan. I did it in the color orange burst and a light taupe. Orange burst and a light taupe. Orange burst is I love this yarn color from Hobby Lobby. The light taupe is also from Hobby Lobby. And then the magenta on the ends or the cuff it's magenta by Big Twist yarn. So that is that. This is the back of it. And then I added pockets to it, and the pockets are in the shape of a star. So I like that. Now I have to go back and sew up just a little bit more around the pockets, just because after I steam blocked it. So after I did that, you see it's kind of like floppy because of the shape. So I just have to go and sew up just a little bit more, not too much, because I still want to be able to fit my hands in it. But yeah, I have to do that. And the edge is around the border is also in magenta Big Twist yarn. So yeah, I completed this one after I did the one in the camel green. Just because I was so excited to complete that cardigan that I was like, hey, let me do another one. So I did that. So that's a project that I completed in 2025, but I just didn't get around to doing any filming or anything like that. And so the next project, I actually finished putting baby's his cardigan together. I did around the border, like I said, and that is it's front post, back post, and front post, back post also for the sleeves. For the cuffs, I have to weave in my ends. Sometimes I decide to weave in my ends while I'm working, and then sometimes I just wait until I'm finished with everything, and then I like to weave in my ends that way as well. So I did get him to try it on, and he has a lot of room to grow in it, and that's what I wanted. But I think I'm going to add a zipper to it for him. And then I have to work on his hat, his beanie for it, then the matching beanie. And like I said, it's gonna be in this color, a jean stripe, along with a black trim around the head. And I did start on my sweater that I decided to frog. So I never said what type of sweater it was, or it's gonna be. It's a wrap sweater. I always like you know, the wrap sweater and the way that it looks. So I did find a pattern for it, and it's actually a free pattern, so that was good. So for the sleeves or the cuffs, you're working from one end to the other end, and it, you know, it wraps around you, but you're working one sleeve cuff to the other sleeve cuff. So I'm going to, or I started out with 358 chains, and then I'm working in single crochets in the back loop only for the cuff part of the sleeve, and then it goes into a double crochet in each stitch until I get to the other side of the cuff or the other side of the sleeve, and then I work single crochets in back loop only on that side, and then you basically turn your work and you're working the same stitch in the back loop only, and then the second row is double crochet, single crochet in the same stitch all the way till you get to the other end of the sleeve again. And so it's a 2-row repeat pattern. It's very easy, and so I started on it. But when you see me come back with this this project, you'll see me actually working on the project, showing my progress, and once I finish it, you'll see me, you know, try it on and everything like that. So so yeah, when you see my grandbaby's cardigan again, it'll be done, and I'll have the hat finished as well. And so I might update you on the cardigan, that I just have to do some adjustments to the pockets to make sure that the pockets, you know, they stay up and they're not floppy. So yeah, that is my progress for my projects that I'm working on. I'm also going to be working on the bag for this month as well. So, and at the end of the month, I'll come with that. I want to try to get to the point where I actually show you my materials that I'm using to make the bag, and then I come back and show you how the bag came out. And so that is it. What are you guys working on for 2026? I have some other things that's coming as well. But how was you guys' Christmas? Did you have a good New Year? I hope everybody's New Year was safe, and you know, they rung in the New Year, you know, in a safe space. There's so much that's going on in this world that you know, you just want to make sure that you are safe when you're leaving your house, and you can get back, you know, and get back the way you left, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so I hope you guys are having you know, a great day when you see this video. I hope you like what you've seen in this video, and you give me a big thumbs up. If you like what you see, comment, let me know that you like what you see and that you want to see more. If you have some ideas of things that you want me to do, or things that you would like to see from me on this channel, drop a comment, let me know. Comments, likes, subscribing to the channel, all of that helps the channel. It helps to build up the channel and help it to become what it needs to become. So that is it, guys. That is everything that I'm working on. I don't want to overcrowd this video with other things. So when you see me again, the baby's cardigan and hat will be completed, and I'll show you where I made the adjustments for that cardigan with the pockets. And also when you see me with the sweater that I'm working on for myself, you'll see me you know, working in between and showing you my progress as I move forward with that project. So that is it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.